Medford Tower, information Golf 1853, observation. Wind 320 at 5, visibility 10, sky condition clear. Temperature 31, dew point 12, altimeter 3001. IFR arrivals, expect visual approach, runway 32 in use. Flow program for Seattle Airport. On initial contact, advise you have information Golf.
Medford ground, experimental 1430 Foxtrot at Million Air, information Golf, request taxi to the 32, will be departing northwest towards Seattle.
1430 Foxtrot, Medford ground, runway 32, taxi via, correction, just hold your position momentarily.
Holding position 30 Foxtrot.
1430 Foxtrot, Medford ground, thanks you for your patience. Runway 32, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha 32, 30 Foxtrot.
Or 30 Foxtrot, thank you very much, sir. Just hold short of Alpha momentarily and I'll put that flight following in for you. Hold short of Alpha.
Hold short Alpha 30 Foxtrot.
Number 1430 Foxtrot, say destination.
1430 Foxtrot is going to Harvey Field, Sierra 43. It's an experimental light sport, Charlie Hotel 650.
Number 30 Foxtrot, squawk 4736, your Cascade departure C124.3.
4736 for 30 Foxtrot. Cleared for takeoff, 30.
Approaching the unknown, watching darkness, moving forward, being restless for many reasons, walking the unknown, watching people, all in one line, same old sequel. No regret. Run for the unknown. Crossing borders. Looking forward, not to fall down. Try to resist. Hide in the unknown. Watching faces. Same set without feelings and no life. approaching the unknown, watching darkness, moving forward, being restless for many reasons, walking the unknown, watching people all in one line, same old sequel, no regrets. Run for the unknown.
Seattle approach, experimental 1430 Foxtrot, request frequency change.
1430 Foxtrot, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved. We'll talk to you later.
Thank you for the help. Frequency change, VFR 30 Foxtrot.
Harvey Field, automated advisory, wind 270 at 11 knots, with gust 217, temperature 25 Celsius, dew point 16 Celsius, altimeter 3001, density altitude 1,100.
Harvey traffic, experimental 1430 Foxtrot, 10 miles south, will maneuver to enter the pattern for 33. Harvey. Harvey Recom, experimental 1430 Foxtrot is about 5 miles southwest, maneuvering to enter the 45 for left downwind 33. Harvey.
Leaving altitude.
Harvey traffic 6509 Lima, final for 33 right.
Harvey traffic, experimental 1430 Foxtrot is turning left base 33 right. Harvey.
Harvey traffic, Skyhawk 4920 Foxtrot, turning downwind for 33 right, Harvey. County Cessna 7040, proper turning, crosswind runway 27, Jefferson County. Harvey traffic, Skyhawk 4920 Foxtrot, left base, 33 right, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, experimental 1430 Foxtrot, final 33 right. Harvey.
Harvey traffic 6509 Lima, clear 33 right, Harvey.
Traffic.
Harvey traffic, 4920 Foxtrot, going around.
Harvey traffic, experimental 1430 Foxtrot, cleared 33 right. Harvey.
Harvey traffic, Skyhawk 4920 Foxtrot, turning the left downwind, 33 right, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, 5100 Golf, taking off
fuel
runway
pressure,
33
oil
and
pressure,
left downwind departure. Harvey.